Nandish, we are live. Can you share your screen by the time I start?
Yes. Let me share.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to F&O Bazaar, our special expiry day live session. And today it's more special because it's the monthly expiry, which means the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid CP Nifty, and even the stock specific contracts are going to be expiring today, which makes this whole expiry a very volatile one and very important one from the trading perspective as well. So we have our research team with us. We have Mr. Nandisha and Mr. Siddharth Deshpande from Prime Research Team, and they'll be helping us to understand the derivative positioning, the option chain structure, key technical levels for today, volatility trends, and the potential trading setups in various indices from intraday and the positional perspective as well. So I think we can start with the first question itself. Nandish, it's to you. How the derivative data was placed at the beginning of the day and how the derivative indicators have changed till now. What do they indicate currently?
Yes, Sonali, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. Thank you for joining. So, first of all, let's discuss about the yesterday's data. As you can see here from Nifty 50 snapshot, yesterday we witnessed 3.35% addition in Nifty future with Nifty falling by 0.14%. That suggests a short build-up. So, yesterday there was a short build-up in Nifty. As today is a expiry, we will also discuss the data of Bank Nifty also, as all the five F&O indices are going to expire today. And mind well, this is the first expiry after the CAS introduced. So it will be, I mean, we all will have to keep an eye of what kind of movement we see post 315 today, because along, as Sonali mentioned, along with index futures and index options, stock futures are also going to expire today, as today is the first monthly expiry after introduction of CAS. So now coming to Bank Nifty, yesterday Bank Nifty witnessed unwinding. In Bank Nifty, we witnessed 1% fall in OI with 0.41% fall in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, it suggests a long unwinding, while in Nifty there was short build-up yesterday. Now coming to option data. Uh, Option data, this is 25th August today, monthly expiry. Highest open interest in call stood at 24,300 as of yesterday, while input the highest open interest stands at 24,000. So broadly, this was the range market was expecting at the end of the yesterday, and between 24,000 to 24,300. Now let's see in which strike price we have seen addition. So as you can see here, this blue bar is the call option bar. 24,200 300 added highest open interest. So that also consists of highest open interest. So 24,200 300 is the resistance as per the option data yesterday. And on the lower side, 24,000 was the support where there is highest open interest among the puts. So broadly, option data was suggesting as of yesterday, the range was 24,000 to 24,300. Now coming to FI side, FI yesterday again created a fresh short. As you can see here, the net shorted worth rupees 1564.65 crore. But if I were to see the breakup in Nifty, there we created fresh short 1254 crore. The net sold yesterday with their open risk going up by 12,500 contract. While in Bank Nifty, there was long unwinding by them also, 470 crore sell position by them with their open is going down by 827 contracts. So broadly speaking, yesterday's data was slightly suggesting slightly cautious for the market, as we have witnessed long short build up in Nifty and long unwinding in Bank Nifty. Aggressive call rating at 24,200 300, while put rating seen at 24,000, and also short build up by FIs in the index future. Just to add a few things along with that, in this entire series till now, FIs have net shorted worth rupees 2249 crore in index future, with their long to short ratio remained at 0.11. We began the series with 0.10 long to short ratio of FIs. We ended with 0.11 as of yesterday. So that suggests that FIs were short at the beginning of the series, and they maintained their short during the series also. So FIs remained seller in the index future segment. Apart from that, just to give a few idea about Nifty, as of yesterday, Nifty was 24,219. Right now, it is trading around 24,180. So, if I were to see the performance of last four series of Nifty, Nifty remained around 24,000 level. If you were to see the closing of June, July, August, September, June, July, August, May, June, July, and this August, all these four series Nifty is likely to close around 24,000 level. So broadly speaking, since last four series Nifty has been remaining in the range, and this time also it's not no different. As of now also Nifty is trading around 24180, which is less than 1% away from 24,000 levels. So while market is witness remaining in the range, stocks today we are seeing a higher volatility. But yes, index is wise, market is remaining in the range. And as of now, as of yesterday, data was suggesting slight cautious. Sonal.
Understood. So, do you see similar kind of the clues on the chart as well? So, can you help me with reading the chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty from the expiry perspective?
Yeah. So before we go to the chart, let me discuss about yesterday today how the data has changed. As of now, the Nifty open risk put call ratio, as you can see here, it was 0.83 as of yesterday. Right now, it is 0.9. Till half an hour back, it was placed around 0.8. So Nifty put call ratio has moved up sharply during last half an hour. That suggests that some put writing has happened during last half an hour. That suggests that around 21,150 has become a strong base as per the option data which we are witnessing right now. Now coming to future data, as of now we have seen addition of 3% in Bank Nifty future while 4% in Bank Nifty futures. So that suggests that while Nifty and Bank Nifty are almost trading flat, that suggests that there is a tug of war between bulls and bears. As while Nifty and Bank Nifty remaining in the range, there is good addition of around 4% in both Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. But which side has more power, that will let you know in the session ahead. Now let's coming to the chart. First, I want to discuss about the daily chart. This is the Nifty daily chart. As you can see here, Nifty has been forming lower top. As it formed top here, another lower top 2 days back. So this short-term chart of the Nifty is not that bullish. It suggests that Nifty has as a downward bias. And broadly within the range. So as of now, this broader chart suggests that on the downside, 24,000 is a very strong support, while on the upper side, 24,300 is a very strong resistance. So broadly, Nifty is trading within range, but if Nifty were to break 24,000, then that will mean that it will also below 24,000, Nifty will also close below this upward sloping trend line, as you can see here. So below 24,000, market trend would be weakened. Till then, we are within the range, and on the higher side, 24,300. If Nifty managed to close above that, then again short-term trend would turn positive. As of now, we are within the range. Now, intraday, after opening higher, after opening flat, Nifty fell sharply. It made a low of around 24,115. In the option also, we have seen put trading at 24,100. So Nifty almost took support around 24,100. So the strong base has been forming around 24,100, as it is supported by the put trading at option data. So for today, 24,100 is a very strong support, and intraday resistance is placed around 24,200 to 230. So if Nifty manages to close about 24,230 or maybe trade about 24,230 for a few minutes, then it might lead to a sharp short covering. So broadly today the Nifty is placed in the range of between the range of 24,100 to 230. Below 100, we may see a sharp selling, and about 230, option titers may be forced to cover their shorts, and we may see a sharp upward rally to 24,300. So Sonali, broadly, as of now, we are within the range of 24,100 to 24,230. That's what the intraday chart of Nifty is suggesting.
Okay, so for Nifty, the range is of 130 points. About the range, I mean the upper and lower levels are mentioned. And for Bank Nifty, Nandish, what are the important levels to monitor today?
Yes, so Bank Nifty, if you were to see the intraday chart, let me turn it to 1 minute. So in the morning when Nifty opened, when Nifty was going down, Bank Nifty moved up sharply after opening lower. Along with Nifty, Bank Nifty moved up sharply. It witnessed a rally of almost 400 points within a few minutes only. So it made a high of around 650 odd levels in the morning session only, around 9:35. And then it made a double bottom around 57,230 odd levels. So for Bank Nifty, 57,200 is the support for the day, while 650 is the resistance. We are broadly within the range, but as we witness sharp movement in the morning, there is a possibility that Bank Nifty may do well. So for now, the chart suggests that unless Bank Nifty closes below or trades below 57230, the view should be positive for the today.
Got it. So, Siddharth, coming towards you, do you see the similar kind of development on option chain, or do you see some upper or levels getting broken on Nifty Bank Nifty through the option chain data?
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yeah. So basically, Nifty is currently trading around 24,165 to 24,175 level. The important development in this, we have seen a sharp intraday recovery from the lower levels, but the index is now showing some rejection after moving towards 24,190 to 24,200 zone level. So basically, it's a 200-day EMA intraday level where Nifty is currently facing resistance. So I would say the market is still in a range bound with mildly bearish undertone, but the next direction move will decide around 24,200 on the upper side, and on the downside 24,150. So these are the two important levels to watch now, 24,150 to 24,200. Let me go to the call side. At 24,100 call, open interest is around 1.41 lakh contract with a fresh addition of almost 85,848 contracts in current session. Around 24,150 call, open interest has increased around 2.98 lakh contract with a massive fresh addition around 2.29 lakh contracts. And at most important level around 24,200 call, where open interest is highest, which is around 6.24 lakh contract with a fresh addition in today's session around 3.69 lakh contracts. So there is very significant number. So clearly 24,200 is emerging as the strongest immediate call resistance level, and where also 200 EMA intraday line is also there. So Nifty is currently heading towards that level, but it's facing resistance around that level. So therefore, unless we meaningfully unwinding around 24,200 call option, I would be cautious about taking an aggressive bullish position. But if it is crossing that 24,200 with a reduction in call open interest, then I think we can expect the Nifty is heading higher. So next is on the put side, around 24,100 put open interest is around 5.15 lakh contract with a fresh addition of almost 4.11 lakh contract. At 24,150, around 5.76 lakh open interest is there, and fresh addition is around 4.65 lakh contracts. Whereas 24,200 put open interest is around 3.9 and fresh addition is around 2.01 lakh contract. So seeing heavy open interest in both sides. This is very important for today's monthly expiry because it tells us the option writers are actively defending both sides of the market. Essentially, the market is being compressed between 24,100 to 24,000 in today's session. The key observation is basically around 24,150. The call open interest is around 2.9 lakh contracts, which is roughly addition of 2.29 lakhs, and around 24,150 open interest. Around open interest is around 5.76 lakh contract with the addition of 4.65 lakh contract. So this is significantly positioning around the strike price from both sides. Currently, Nifty is about 24,150, which means that this level is acting as an important intraday pivot. As long as Nifty remains above that 24,150, the recovery structure can continue. But if Nifty starts trading below 24,150 and put open interest begin to unwind, then we can see a downward acceleration towards 24,100 level. Now let me look at the price action. If you see the today's intraday chart, Nifty initially moved lower. Already Nisha has explained that, and we are seeing a gradually recovery from 24,120 to 24,130 area. The market subsequently moving towards 24,160 to 24,170. Then we saw another sharp upward move, and now heading towards 24,119. From that level, we have seen a correction, and now Nifty is trading around 24,160 to 170 range. So 24,200 is currently looking at a major resistance, and around 24,150, 100. These are the two important support levels. Yeah, over to Poonam.
Okay. So the range is pretty much common to what we can see on the chart and through the data as well. So Nandish, coming towards you, do you see any potential trading opportunities that the viewers can take up for the intraday? And also, if you have something for the positional perspective, since the monthly expiry is getting over.
Yes, Sonali. So first,
have positions in the coming forward contract.
Yes, Sonali. So first of all, as Siddharth right mentioned, we have seen aggressive put trading at 24,100 and 24,150. while call writing is seen at 24,150 to 200. So that data suggests that market players are expecting Nifty to remain within this range, 24,100 to 200. Now, if Nifty moves out of this range, suppose if Nifty goes above 24,210 and remains there for 5 minutes or maybe sustains there for 5 minutes, then our advice is to buy call. So basically about 25,210, sorry, about 24,210, one can buy call, keeping a stop loss of 24,150. And if Nifty breaks below 24,100, then our advice is to buy put, keeping a stop loss of 24,150. Here, however, this is for those who want to take less risk and those who want to take position in the buy side. Now, those who want to take slightly more risk. Those who are a pro trader, our advice is to sell 24,200 call and sell 24,100 put. Keep a stop loss of 24,220 on the upper side and stop loss of 24,080 on the lower side. So those who want to take higher risk, those who understand the option clearly, can create a position of, you can say, the short strangle, selling a 24,200 call and selling a 24,100 put. And those who are only wants to buy, create positions by buying option, they can wait for that level to come about 24,210. One can buy call, below 24,100 one can buy put. Now coming to the positional strategy, let me share my screen. 1 minute.
Nandesh, before that, I want to share about that IV movement also. If you
Yes,
see
yes,
that Nifty, yeah, so basically Nifty around 24,100, call IV is currently around 6.20, put IV is similarly like 6.20. If you see that 24,150 also, call is IV is around 5.46, put IV is around same level, and same with the 24,200 level also. So basically, it suggests that there is a very low IV environment currently. This is extremely important because it means options premium are undergoing aggressive time decay. For option buyers, simply buying directional correction may not be enough. The market needs to make quick and substantial move for the option premium to expand marginally. So currently, IV is on the lower side. If you compare normally, the IV remains between 7 to 8 range, but currently IV is around 6.20 level. So for what it suggests, basically, low IV and high open interest. So high call open interest addition, high put open interest addition, low IV, expiry day theta decay, and Nifty is trading inside a relatively narrow range. This typically the kind of environment where options writers are comfortable selling premiums, are trying to keep the index within the range. So therefore, we will not directly award blindly. Basically, we will wait for 24,200 like Nandi said on the upper side and 24,150, 24,100 level on the lower side. Unless and until those levels are crossed, and if those levels are crossed with a higher IV, slightly change in IV on the positive side, we may see Nifty heading on that direction. Yeah, over to you on this.
Yeah, so this was view for the today. Now let me share the derivative strategy we issued today in the morning. 1 minute. Is my screen visible?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes,
visible?
we can see it.
Yeah, so we issued this Nifty bear spread strategy. As I just mentioned, Nifty has been falling since last few days. So positional trend has turned weak, although 24,000 is a very strong support. But believing that there is a possibility that Nifty might break that level, we have issued a Nifty bear spread strategy where risk reward is favorable. So if market doesn't fall sharply, then the loss will be very limited. And if market falls sharply, then we can take benefit of that. So we have suggested a Nifty bear spread strategy where we are advising buying 24,100 put at 53, simultaneously selling 24,000 put at 55. So risk reward here is 1:2.58. The maximum loss is at 1814 if Nifty closes below 24,100. Mind well, this is for the 1st September expiry, so next week expiry, and maximum profit at 4686 if Nifty closes below 24,000 level. So here we believe that if Nifty were to break 24,000, we might see a sharp downside movement because technically also Nifty would weaken if it closes below 24,000 level as upper sloping trend line is placed around 24,000 level, and also multiple swing lows is placed around 24,000 level. So just to take benefit if Nifty falls sharply. We have issued this strategy. As here risk level is highly possible. If Nifty doesn't move lower, the loss will be limited to 1814. So this is a strategy we have issued that one can initiate right now also, as premiums are around those level only. Sonali.
Yes, so thank you, Nandish, for sharing the strategy, which is for the positional perspective till 1st of September, and also the conditional intraday calls that the viewers can take. Now, the platform which was shared on the screen is called as NXT option, which has a lot of analytical tools and the execution tools as well, which is common to InvestRight and HDFC Sky as well. So you can explore the platform on your own to create the strategies and manage them well. Also, coming towards the recommendation part, apart from the recommendations or the trading opportunities that we discussed today in this call, apart from that, we get a lot of recommendations which are specific to the expiry or specific to the volatility of the second half. We get a lot of recommendations from the prime research team, which you can keep receiving through your InvestRight app by keeping the notifications on. So do explore the recommendations, do explore the platforms that we are providing, and also to navigate such kind of volatility that we get normally on the expiry days. We have also introduced the scalper mode, which you can access in your app and web, both the platforms. So thank you so much everybody for joining in, and all the best for rest of the hours of the expiry. Thanks Nandish, thanks Siddharth for your inputs. Thank you everyone.
Yes, thank you all for joining.